Okay, Robert's running late, so I'm going to go ahead and do another video. I'm trying to get these videos pumped out for you guys because I only had one done this week because of my illness. So anyway, hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, that was a weird intro. If you're new, welcome. And for all my friends, welcome back. All right, so I have Glossybox for you guys today. I have two of them actually. So I think this is the February and this is March's box here. So I figure we'll go through both of them. I do have a special discount code for you. Normally, Glossybox is $21. And then if you use my link, you'll get it for $16. So you get $5 off. And Glossybox gives you, you know, some samples and then some deluxe and sometimes some full size. The value is always at least $75 in products. And for a sample box, I think that's pretty good. I actually get quite a few. I get quite a few new brands in here that I like. They have a UK, if you're in the UK, they have a Glossybox UK as well. I'm obviously promoting it to the Glossybox people in the US, but you can get this if you're watching my channel and you are in the UK. So Glossybox comes out with these beautiful, wonderful boxes. They're just pink. They say Glossybox. I reuse these all the time. I use these as gifts. In fact, the last one I showed you guys had that like cassette tape on it, and I wrapped up a gift for Ella, who is my daughter's boyfriend's 2-year-old, and put it in there, and it was so cute, and I just tied it with a ribbon. She didn't like that box. That box had clothes in it. She but she liked the other one with the toy in it. So anyway, we're gonna open this and get in here. I've already peeked into this one, but it comes wrapped up. It's got a little sticker, all nice and neat. I'll show you what's in this one, and then we'll get into the March. Also, before I get started, I do want to tell you guys that they have also some special limited edition boxes, and there's an Easter egg, a big Easter egg filled with beauty and makeup products coming out this week on the 19th, I believe. And I think it was $24 for members and $29 for non-members. You can't order it yet. I'm gonna put it on the screen here. I'm super excited about it. It's a limited edition box and I missed it last year, but I'm super excited about it. I don't have an active subscription right now, so I'd have to pay a few dollars. It's like $5 more, $4 or $5 more, but you can buy it even if you don't have a subscription. You have to go online and you have to put your email in so you get alerted when it becomes live, and it's going to be limited quantities, first come, first serve, that type of thing. But it looks really cool, and I'm hoping I get it and hoping I can show it to you. So I work with Glossybox. These were gifted to me, but I don't work with them every single month. It might end up being that way, but right now she sort of emails me month to month when she wants me to work with her. So we shall see if we continue. I love working with them though, and I've been enjoying the products. Okay, so this is a neat box. So the first one, I've told you guys this before, I'm such a weirdo. I love these little like metal tubes. I don't know why. I just love these kind of tubes for skincare. This is by, oh, interesting, Espa, but in the picture, it looks like I got some, oh, product may vary. So in the picture, it's a bergamot and jasmine no rinse hand cleanser, but I got the Eucalyptus tea tree hand balm, which actually I'm a little bit more excited about. Tea tree is really good for rashes, poison ivy, things like that. We keep tea tree in our house. And I can't smell too much. I can smell a little bit of the eucalyptus in here. Let's rub it in and see if I can smell. So yeah, I can smell it. I think it's not smelling as strong as it would, but my sniffer's still broken, so. Oh, that's nice. And I actually found out that I'm having some sort of an allergic reaction to my rose bush. I got the thorns pricked me and they're blistering. Apparently it's like a fungus or something. I don't know. So my hands are all messed up right now. So I need to, I need to wear gloves when I garden around my roses. All right. So these are, you could have gotten the deluxe mini or a full size, but this, see, I got a different one. So, it says it's $28. But this is, to me, this looks like a full size, but I don't know the price. If I find the price, I'll put it on the screen for you, okay? Then I got a full size of Sugar and Spice Gloss by Cab Cosmetics. This is an $18 value. Looks like car, but it is a KAB. Kind of rolls over on the side. And it's Sugar and Spice. It's a Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss. I'm going to try it on for you. It provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. It's non-stick formula and sweet vanilla cupcake scent will leave your lips, will give your lips a long-lasting gloss. All right, so let's just try this on. I think this is more of a nude shade in general, so... Oh, it's got some color. Look at that. Got a little liner still left on my lips. That's actually really beautiful. Really beautiful. I love it. Okay, so that I will use a ton. That's probably, it's such a neutral color, and with a liner, that's really, really pretty. So that's a, I think we got 2 full-size items in this one, so I'm super excited. All right, then I got a little guy here. This is by Zero. Oh, it's called Clean at Zero by Vanilla Kusa. It's a cleansing balm, pore clarifying. It's a sherbet-like balm. Removes even the toughest waterproof makeup without stripping or drying your skin. And it has a tri-peel acid blend that is AHA, BHA, and LHA. Helps remove dead skin cells, clears pores, and exfoliates. We got the mini, it's $3, and the full size, which is 100 ml, is $22. That's actually not a bad price for the full size, and I love cleansing balms to clean my skin. I absolutely love them. You know what? I don't think I showed you an up close of this. I don't think I did this, did I? But there it is. There's what the lip gloss looks like. Very kind of sleek. I like that you can, it's like a matte, dusty gray, rose gold, and then you can see the color in it. Love that. So, anyway, the little sample of this is $3. And then you can go on their site, besides being a member and getting their boxes, you can actually buy products on their site, and they always have all kinds of deals and stuff. So it's a really great way, like once you are introduced to a new brand, and I think we get to experience some of the, some more of the like brands in the UK too, because that's where they're based out of. This, however, is a product that I have used. This is another hand cream. This is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty, and it's for dry, parched skin. I actually was looking for some. I'm almost out at work, so I need to put some more lotion at work. What I like, this might go to my daughter because this is First Aid Beauty. I've mentioned this before. My daughter has eczema, and when hers acts up, she's allergic to cortisone. She's allergic to anything with any kind of scent at all in it, and this is the only cream that we have found that has helped her eczema and not aggravated her skin and burned it. So I may give this to her. She may have a stockpile of them. I gotta check and see, but this is fabulous. So this is a deluxe mini. I knew it was a bigger size, and this is $5. The full, this is 1 ounce. The full size is 6 ounces, and that would be $36 if you wanted to buy the big one, which I think we bought a small one to start for her, and then once we knew she could use it, we bought her the large one. I usually get it for a stocking at Christmas. All right, we got a serum that is in another one of those little containers, I just love these. This is an expensive brand. This is Claudal, I don't know how to say it. Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. It reduces the appearance of dark spots and evens your skin tone. It includes pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. It'll reduce all of that. Its patented ingredients is 62% more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. How cool. Okay, this is a deluxe mini. It's $26 for the mini. That's 10 mil. The full size is 30 mil and is $79. So that is a little treasure and an expensive one. So we got 3, 4, 5, that's 5 items. We got one more in here. Looks like a mask, a Soon Skincare Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patch. And this is a single treatment, which is $6. If you buy the box, it's 30 treatments and it's $54. And it says they are the golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging, and will make you feel like a queen. I actually need to do a little work on my eyes because after I was sick, I was really dehydrated and I noticed a lot of wrinkles under my eyes. So that was a great box. I'm excited about everything in this box. I really like this one. Some boxes are better for me than others. Like some boxes I'm more excited about, and it came with this cute, look at that. I wish it came with those in there. Little macaroons on it, but it came with everything that was in here. And it looks like if you refer a friend, I don't think I get that though, because I got the box for free, but normally, like, so if you get the box, you would get $15 in Glossy credit, and your friends get 20% off their first box, which you're getting that anyway. You're getting it for $16 for your first box. And then you get a sneak peek. They have a Mother's Day limited edition box coming up. There's some fun stuff coming with them, so you got to check them out. All right, let's get into our March box and see what we got. And sometimes they come out with limited edition, like Christmas time. Oh, in fact, I have that box around here somewhere. I don't know what to do with it. It's so pretty. I'm trying to find a use for it. All right, so here is our March box. Oh, maybe? Did I get two of the same box? It looks like I did. So there was some overlap. I had a subscription and then I was getting the free one from them. Maybe this is the March box. Well, let's see if I got anything. Yeah, it is. So I just had an overlap. I canceled my subscription because I don't need two boxes. And I gave some products away to people I knew that were doubles, and I threw a couple things that are coming up for you guys in giveaways. So let's just see if I got all the same products in here, or if I've got any double. They're all doubles. Okay, so is it the same color? Let's see if the lipstick is the same color. Same color. We got, yeah, everything is exactly the same in here. Every single item. So maybe what I'll do is give away, give one of these away to you guys. Would you guys like that? And do a little giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, let's see. Obviously, subscribe to my channel. That's always a requirement. And put hashtag Glossybox in the comments. Actually, put hashtag GlossyboxUS in the comments. And that's it. Just be subscribed. Maybe like and comment on the video. That'd be awesome. But that's it. And I'll enter you guys to win this. And we will pick the winner in 1 week from the day that this posts. I'm not sure what day this is going up yet. So it'll be a week from the day you see that the video was posted. And I will pick the winner. Put an alternate way to contact you too. So if you guys have Instagram, please put your Instagram name so that I can contact you via Instagram if you want. Sometimes I will just comment on the person who commented and they don't always see it. You guys did great when we did 12 Days of Christmas, but I still don't have my winner for my Scentsy. That she hasn't. I might have to pick a new winner. So if you have Instagram, put your Instagram name so I can find you there too and contact you if you're the winner. So, well, that's exciting. That was an exciting bonus for one of you guys. So we'll have a fun little Glossybox giveaway for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Be sure and let your friends know that I'm having a giveaway so they can come over and check it out and maybe have the chance to win as well. Maybe if one of your friends wins, you guys can split the prizes up. So, as I think there's 6, you can each take 3. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. I can hear my voice is starting to get a little wonky again. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.